Did you know that you can earn more than $287 simply by designing an image? The most amazing part is you don't even need a camera to get started, and you don't need to take a photo using your phone or have a large social media following. Want to know how? Then you're at the right place. I'm going to show you a free tool that generates a lot of money for people around the world, and it will only take less than 10 minutes. Now let's start earning a lot of money. First and foremost, this isn't the website that you can make money with, alright? But this platform is the one that will help you to earn money by using images that can be done in less than 10 minutes. After, on Adobe Spark. You can start earning hundreds of dollars on the next website that I'll show you. But for now, I'm going to show you how to make a photo that's paying hundreds of dollars to people. And the best part is, it is free. So head over to spark.adobe.com. Once you enter, you can search the homepage where you can see thousands of templates that you can simply drag and drop. Then you can start creating your professional-looking designs. And what can you do with these designs? Well, you can make social media graphics by taking a photo and using design filters or animation to make it look unique and outstanding. It also has other features like web pages and making short videos, but we aren't interested in that. We are focusing on an image that can be created in less than 10 minutes. Share instantly and get paid on a website, which I'll show you in just a minute. If you don't have a laptop or a computer, you don't have to worry. You can do this on your phone or tablet. The app is both accessible to Android and iOS, and you can do it even if you're lying in your bed or sitting on your couch. Just visit Adobe Spark now and create your account by signing up using your email or Adobe ID. You can also use Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. After you've logged into your newly created account, you will be redirected to a brand new account, and you'll be able to view all the different things on the page. You have an almost completely done graphic design available for you, and all you need to do is change the text and make it your unique design, which you can use on the website that I'll share with you later. Make more money so you can create Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, and branded images, as well as flyers, ebook covers, and book covers. If you want to use a flyer design template, simply click on it to demonstrate its simplicity, and all you have to do is wait for them to move your design so that you can fully customize your template. Then just double-click the text and fill it up with whatever you want, and click Done. Your image will now change. On the right-hand side, you can change or adjust the colors, fonts, and sizes. Everything is customizable so that you can also use various shapes, shadows, animations, and other effects. If you don't like the first template, you can go to the left-hand side and change it from the template varieties available. Just click on your new template, wait for it to load, and then edit it. It's 99% done for you. Just edit the text and save it on your computer. For example, you edit the text and then you can also change or remove the background image of your template or even add some filters. It's that easy. You can make all kinds of different designs using those templates. And once you're done with it, download it and save it to your computer on high quality. If you want to remove the watermark, simply use screenshot software like a snipping tool and you're good to go. As you can see, it's easy to create those designs with Adobe Spark, and that's because all the templates are almost complete, and that would take you nothing less than 10 minutes. If you guys are learning something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's get back and make that money. I'm going to show you several websites that pay $100 for your Adobe Spark creation. DesignCrowd.com. This is a website that will pay you hundreds of dollars with your design on Adobe Spark. You can get paid with your logo designs, business cards, web designs, flyer designs, and graphic designs that can be created in less than 10 minutes. For example, if you go to the designers category and click graphic designers, you will be able to see people making money from all over the world. Then, if you take logo designing as another example, you can see that they are making even more money. You can make a lot of money with DesignCrowd.com, and it's a great website too because it pays a decent amount on every design that's been completed in less than 10 minutes. If you check out the jobs section, you can see that you can get paid for any design you create, starting from business cards, Facebook designs, postcards, flyers, YouTube designs, and everything you saw from the previous website. If you are into flyer design, you can click on it. Then you can see all the available jobs where you can start up your design and get paid. I can get paid just by sending one single design created on Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes, and you can get paid by it alone. And the best part is that there are always new jobs coming in all the time. You can also go on and try designing a banner app or an icon, Facebook designs, or even YouTube designs. For you to start using designcrowd.com, visit the website and click the Join for Free button. Then enter your email, create your password, and then click on Let's Go. Once your account is ready, you can start browsing all the different tasks, and if you find the one that suits you, just simply click on it and submit your designs. So many people have been asking me how to withdraw money from this website. Don't worry, I'll show you how easy it is. All you need to do is go to your profile and click Profile Settings. Then go to the left side and you can select Payouts. Finally, you can choose your payment option and enter your payment information. Boom! Now you can withdraw that money you've earned. Imagine making a lot of money by simply using a pre-created image. That's one of the easiest ways of making money online. Implement these step-by-step methods in this video and you'll be glad you did. If you want to learn how you can earn money, $1,000 per day with Google News, click here. This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.